In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Discord cannot create channel. Now there are many reasons why this happens. You need to first of all either secure the required server permissions or reduce the server's existing channel count. So this issue mainly occurs when you lack the administrative right, meaning the administrator of this particular server has not given you this right, or the issue could also be that the server has hit the maximum capacity. So you need to first of all check for your rights, what you have and what rights the administrator has given you. Secondly, you need to verify the 500 channel limit. You only have the option of creating up to 500 channels. So if you are about to exceed that, or if you have already exceeded that, this also may be causing this issue. Now if none of these solutions are working out for you, this could likely be happening due to app glitches or app bugs. So in this situation, what you can do is just reinstall the application onto your device. Ensure that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.